Students, myself KM Rupnavar from Tudaram Chaturchand College, Baramati, and today I am going to teach you paper number CHA 5301, section 2, analytical method development and validation. From this section, the chapter 1 I am going to be start today. Chapter heading is Assay Validation and Interlaboratory Transfer. This chapter is for 4 lecture, and the reference book which is given here, Development and Validation of Analytical Methods, Progress Pharmaceutical and Biomedical Analysis, volume is 3, and this book is edited by Chitofer M. Riley and Thomas W. Rosenke, and publication is Elsevier. You can refer this book for this chapter. Here the contents of the first chapter I have noted. First one is the introduction, second point is the fundamental definitions, essential principles of method transfer, method validation report, and the interlaboratory qualification process. In short, this term is noted as ILQ. These are the contents. Now, the introduction of the chapter Assay Validation and the Interlaboratory Transfer. Although the process of transferring of analytical method from one laboratory to another uses some of the principles and components of validation and method transfer should be regarded as two distinct processes. The purpose of this chapter is to summarize the relationship between method transfer and validation, as well as to introduce some of the terminology that will be discussed earlier in this chapter. Here I have written some terms like validation and the method transfer. Here, validation may be viewed as the establishment of an experimental database that certifies an analytical method performs in the manner for which it was intended and is the responsibility of the method development laboratory. And method transfer is the different term than the validation. It's the introduction of a validated method into a designated laboratory so that it can be used in the same capacity for which it was originally developed. Ordinarily, the method transfer process should be the responsibility of the designated laboratory that will use the previously validated method. However, successful method transfer relies upon close cooperation and communication between the two laboratories. Here, the validation term and the method transfer term is related to the method or the procedure, and this procedure can be developed by one laboratory and this will be transferred to the another laboratory. Means when there is a new development or the new industry will be going to produce or develop, at that time there is a requirement of a validated procedure. Validated procedure means what? The procedure contains the experimental database and its all requirements are given in this validation report, and this report or this method can be transported to the another laboratory for the further use. Here the point which is given in our syllabus is fundamental definitions. Fundamental definitions are also known as functional definitions. At this point, the introduction of some functional definitions is necessary to distinguish the responsibilities of the laboratory that develops a method from those of the laboratory who will use the method. The gap between the two laboratories is bridged by method transfer process. The gap means what? One laboratory has a procedure and another laboratory does not have any procedure. That's why one laboratory transfers the procedure to the another laboratory to develop new drug, new tablets or anything. In the pharmaceutical industrial setting, the Analytical Research and Development ARD group usually provides validated analytical methods. ARD means what? The Analytical Research and Development group, which provides the validated procedures to the laboratories. The quality control department does not provide the validated procedure. Only ARD department can provide the validated procedure. Quality control department can use or modify these procedures but not provides the validated procedure. This is the difference between ARD and the quality control. The assessment by the validation laboratory is referred to as the validation of the analytical procedure. At most pharmaceutical companies, the ARD laboratories are responsible for the analytical method development, and their charter is to provide appropriate test methods, specifications and stability data to support all domestic and international registrations of new pharmaceutical entities and related dosage forms. The quality control department has right to release commercial goods has been validated by the QC department. It may be correct if the quality control department developed the procedure or if for some reason they choose to repeat the original method validation experiments. Although the ARD group normally develops the original methods, the real answer to the questions and they transfers these procedures toward the various laboratories. For example, analytical methods can either be developed by or transferred to the laboratories, quality control in laboratories or the third parties such as contract laboratories, depending upon a company's organizational structure and their objectives at a particular point in time. In most pharmaceutical companies, the ARD laboratories are responsible for the development of analytical method, and their charter is to provide the development of analytical method. Analytical methods may also be transferred to either ARD laboratories or QC laboratories from outside sources. This is likely to occur more frequently in the future as companies increase their activity in the area of licensing and acquisition of new products, or due to limited internal resources, subcontract and increasingly larger fraction of their method development activities to contract laboratories. These possibilities reinforce the necessary distinction between method validation and method transfer, since both ARD means Analytical Research and Development and QC laboratories can be involved in both the processes. Means validation and method transfer can be controlled by ARD group and the QC labs. And here is the new point SOP, which is completely different from the ARD and the QC. SOP means what? Standard operating procedures, and these procedures used for the method validation and method transfer are different in their objectives and their utilization from the ARD labs and the QC labs.